Hi guys, it's Austin with Grand Design RV. Today I'm so excited to share with you our brand new 285 RKT. This is the newest addition to our standard Transcend lineup. This couples coach rear kitchen will come in just under 34 feet at 33 feet and 11 inches. Come take a look. Starting on the outside, the 285 RKT comes standard with some really great lifestyle features, especially pet-friendly features. Looking at the entry door, right by the entry door, you have a dog leash holder that also acts as a dual bottle opener for that campsite fun. On the campsite, I want to point out that we do build this standard with a campsite kitchen, so you're going to have that griddle that can extend all the way out, protects the camper from grease, and then that nice outdoor refrigerator that can hold all of your campsite snacks. Moving over towards the entry door, I do want to point out that we do use JBL high quality sounding system to really maximize that campsite space and have a ton of fun while enjoying that campfire. Heading on into the camper, we use solid steps to make getting in and out of every Transcend very easy and safe. And on our standard Transcend lineup, we use this extended grab handle that again makes it safer getting in and out of the camper. Come take a look. Now standing inside the brand new 285 RKT, I want to show you just how much space you have in this floor plan. Starting in the rear, you have a beautiful U-shaped kitchen counter that really maximizes the space for prepping food or just getting ready for any meal. Looking outside the window, we gave you a massive campsite window to look at everybody enjoying the campsite and also the view. It's all about the views. Looking at kind of the appliances that we're offering in our standard Transcend lineup, and actually any Transcend that we build, we're using stainless steel appliances. And then we're also going to give you the soap dispenser, which is new for 2026. We include some other fun lifestyle features such as a paper towel holder and a full pull-out trash can just to help maximize your storage solutions in this camper. Talking about more lifestyle features and also pet-friendly features, every Transcend will come standard with these hidden pet-friendly dishes too for your furry friends. Putting that away, I want to point out our large pantry in this model. So really this 285 RKT would be the perfect unit for an extended getaway with you and your couples. Looking at the refrigerator, we use a dual door reefer with a freezer apparatus below. Again, plenty of space to really maximize your camping trip. Moving over to the theater seats, this 285 RKT does utilize a triple theater seat option. And again, this is an electric climb out, so you don't have to work with a pulley. All you have to do is hit a button and simply relax. Now the 285 RKT is awesome for entertaining because you have direct view of the entertainment center from the sofa. So no longer do you have to turn your head to look at the television. Now you can look straight ahead and just enjoy the game. Passing through to the bathroom, I want to point out that we use a giant shower surround with built-in ledges for your feet or for your soaps up top. The shower also utilizes a nice squeegee door, so whenever you close the shower door, all the water will actually squeegee down into the pan down below, which will help protect against mildew or water debris that builds up. Now heading into the bedroom, I want to point out that every single Transcend unit that we built will come standard with a true queen size bed, a 60 by 80 queen size bed. So finding sheets for this camper is going to be much easier than some of our competitors that use maybe an RV queen style. Also looking in the bedroom, on both sides of the bed, you're going to have these nooks for maybe water or books or CPAP machines if needed, with built-in 110 outlets and USB ports on both sides for better charging solutions. On our both sides of the bed as well, we're going to have folding space on the right side and then hanging space on the left side. So just a different type of storage solution with built-in drawers down below. On the 285 RKT, we do give you another storage solution with another built-in closet wardrobe on the back wall. Something special on every single standard Transcend model that we build is a built-in laundry hamper right below the bed that feeds into the pass-through storage. So again, it gets dirty clothes out of the way so you're not junking up the floors. Thank you so much for tagging along our brand new 285 RKT and learning a little bit more about the Transcend brand. Come check it out at the adventure camper sales near you.